What is up, Goon Squad? Another day here. We're gonna try to put this tub on this Jeep. I'm gonna let you guys take a look at it in the daylights. Got that Borla. Also, we do have headers on it, so that's gonna kind of make it even sound a little bit better. But there you have it, guys. It's looking great. We're gonna hopefully get the tub on today. All right, guys, before we get started here, as usual, go check out goonsquad.com, copy some merch, that fire, guys. Support the channel, support your boys over here at the Goon Squad. So he ran to the store to get an exhaust clamp. We need a clamp right there. And I'm gonna start putting on these drive shafts. We got a nice Tom Woods rear drive shaft, double cardon, and we also got this front drive shaft that we have to install. All right, so we got that front drive shaft in, and we are gonna use thread locker on each of the bolts to make sure that doesn't come unscrewed. All right, that drive shaft is on and tight with some Loctite, so that should ensure it never comes loose. All right, guys, we got both of the drive shafts in. Be sure to not over tighten them because you will break a bolt, especially on this side over here. But you can tighten these up a little bit more, but make sure to use Loctite. Alright, guys, we are putting in the body mounts. We got new bushings for these, so that's going to give us a little bit of a softer ride, I believe. We just did a couple final touches. We connected this brake line, popped in this hose here. So now, drive shafts, we got those tightened up. Exhaust tightened up. What else?
We got the new polymer bushings.
Body mounts there. Everything is ready for the tub. So we're gonna go grab the tub and hover over it and slowly lower it down. Go ahead and take care of that evap canister. There goes the first
body mount
bolt there. The next, they're going in pretty smoothly. So far they're all lined up on this side.
We got all the holes aligned on the tub and the frame. Now we're just torquing them down. We did use some upgraded bushings, some propane motion control.
They're propane?
Prothane.
Oh. I was going to say propane, but dang, that's nice.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Torque them down, and this frame and this tub is one unit.
Alright, guys, that's the last of that forklift. I don't think we'll be needing that anymore. So all the heavy work is done. I'm under here tightening the rest of these bushings here, and we should be good to go on the tub. We're going to throw the doors on and the hard top, keep it enclosed. Alright, guys, that's a wrap there. We got a lot of stuff done. We got the tub on, we got the doors on the hard top, we got the tub tightened down. Next thing would be is to work on this front end,
Get all the main wiring components plugged in, and get the oil in, get
all the
everything,
fluids.
get it close to startup.
We also got a steering box on the way, guys. Put the steering box, put on the steering links on the front end so we could actually maneuver this thing. So guys, we got a lot of more exciting things coming for the Jeep. We're still gonna get some long arms here in the future, so stay tuned for that. We may go with a different wheel setup, some MTRs and some street locks, some smaller rims, like some 15s or something.
Yep.
If you got any suggestions, be sure to leave a comment down below. We always appreciate the advice. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram to get the inside scoop of something that comes up before YouTube. Be sure to check out goonsquad.com to copy a hat or copy some merch and support the boys.
Thank you all who support us, and those who would love to support us, go to our GoFundMe page or visit our Patreons. Help us reach our goal and to make better content for y'all.
Link is going to be down in the description below. We got a lot of putting together to do, and we also going to get ready to crank this sucker up, guys, so stay tuned and we'll catch you next time.
Peace.